Welcome, in front of me is CHUWI GemiBook X Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make your laptop automatically wake up to test battery state or system stability. So in order to enable such feature, you'll have to enter the BIOS menu, and to do that, turn on your PC by holding down the power key until the power indicator starts glowing. Once it does, start pressing F2 button until you see the BIOS menu on your screen. Then navigate to the power section using right arrow button, and then using down arrow key, select S5 long run test. And to change this enable this feature, press enter and then select enable and press enter again. This way you can disable it as well. And to apply settings, press F10 and enter, and to discard them, press escape and enter. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.